How to turn on mic on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to turn on the mic on Android, what you need to simply do is tap on the settings of your device. As you tap on settings, scroll down and tap on privacy protection over here. So as you tap on it, under the sensitive actions, you can see the option of microphone over here. So tap on it, and as you tap on the microphone, you'll be able to see that no apps are allowed right now with the permission to record the audio or use the microphone. So just have to make sure that you can select a particular app or select the list of particular apps to turn on the mic for. So for example, if I'm going to go to the Instagram, you can see it has been allowed. Go back and you can check and so on, so that you can find which app has the option to turn on the mic on Android. So you just have to tap on allow and go to each app and do that. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.